Welcome back. We're now going to look at ways that you can add in text to your document. So to do that, we're going to get rid of this block. So we're just going to click inside of here. We're then going to click delete. That block is going to go away. What we're going to do is we're going to click this add block button. And you're going to notice that there is our paragraph, which is most used. But then we can go to this area called common blocks. And these are going to be the blocks that most people are going to use most of the time in order to create content inside of their WordPress website. We're going to click in the paragraph block, and that's going to give us access to a block where we can create text. Once you have that text block, you can then manipulate that text just as you would have inside of the old editor. For example, we can highlight certain parts of the text. We can then make that text bold. We can make another part of the text italics. We can then hyperlink with this text by clicking this link button and writing in the URL that we want to link to, then clicking the return button. And we can also create strike-through text. Now, if we click the Shift and the return button, we will then be creating more content inside of the block. If we click the return button, we'll be going to another block to create content. So for example, if we click inside of this area, you'll notice that the cursor is blinking inside of a separate block. And of course, another way to do this would be to go to our more options, then to duplicate the block that we just created, and now we have two in the very same page. We can manipulate that block further by going to our block properties. We can change the background color. We can change the text color. So what the blocks allow us to do is allows us to create text in different ways in different parts of our WordPress site. We can also justify our text. We can change the font size. And we can utilize the drop cap. So the Gutenberg editor allows you to place text in different parts of your WordPress site and to customize that text in ways that you want to display it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.